Hello, I'm Jeannette Koczela, founder and president of the International Association of Professional Life Coaches. And today I have a video tip for you on how to fill in worksheets for your clients. So let's go to my computer and I'll show you how to do it. You've probably seen PDFs where if you open them up, you can just start typing in the answers. And that way you don't have to print out the copy of everything and write it by hand. So although writing by hand is good for learning purposes, we also like to save time sometimes and also save paper and ink. And so it's nice to be able to type in things. And so I'm going to show you a quick way to do this. So if we go to pdfescape.com, I have a worksheet here. So I've started this worksheet here, and this is what it looks like once you put these in. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So I've uploaded this file, and what you do is you scroll down to what page you want, and actually you can show the pages if you click on this button here. So then what you do is you click on this top box, and this is going to give you the options that you need. So what we want is form field, and they also have more things here. We want form field. We're going to select text. You can also have check boxes. I'll show you that in a minute. Radio button, drop down. So we're going to do text for this. And you'll see that there's a crosshair and then a little tiny box. And don't get confused. The crosshair is where the box is going to go, not where the little box is. So you'll see here I'm drawing a box. And then I can line it up with these crosshairs and this little box here so that I get them all on the same level. And you just have to eyeball the rest of the alignments. So here I'm going to do another one. Try to make them all the same size. Then once you come down here, you can line up the crosshair with this, and then eyeball the other side. So it's, and then here we can line up both of these here. As you can see, it's a little tedious, but you can always get a VA to do it, which is what I'm going to be doing in the future. So then you just click off of it to get out of that. And then if you just click on any one of these, they all look like this, and then you'll get a trash can and a wrench. And the wrench is where we can set it as multi-line, and then it'll have an appropriate font size, and they can type more than one line. So then you just have to do this for all of them. So here we have check marks. So what we can do is go in here, form field, and we can do a checkbox. And then go up here and make this a little bigger so I can see what I'm doing. And then I can just position the crosshairs around the box that I have, and it'll make a little checkbox. Now, once you get these boxes in here, you can click on them and click on the wrench, and then you can check what kind of check mark you want. So you can have a crosshair, a check, a circle, whatever you want. So I want to have a check mark on mine. So I'll say okay. And then I'm just going to do that with the other ones. And so then all this is done, and we can save it right here and then download it right here. And here's the finished product. So we can go in and type on all of these boxes. In here, you can also type in there. So everything is working, and show you the check marks right here. So if we click on that, it gives you the check mark. So that's how you use PDF Escape to make fillable worksheets for your clients. So I hope that was helpful. And if you'd like a copy of that worksheet, among other worksheets that we have in our resource library, you can just go to iapLifeCoaches.org/free-resources. Thanks for listening.